beautiful smile and your style continuity. I'd be a fool not to take the opportunity to say, hey, we should be homies. I think we should be bigger than cheese and macaroni. We could keep it sweet like Tati and Tony, or maybe just be ourselves, never phony, never second guessing the friendship connection, parallel living, never in possession of the individual personal expression. Together we're just a much better reflection of us. We can be homies, but once you get to know me, I could be a one and only. I can make you unholy. Take it slowly.